Hey mathematicians, today I want to talk to you about some big math. And you're thinking, oh, Miss Manning, 32 plus 14, I could never do that. Yes, you can. I'm going to show you a tool today that's going to help you do it. And by the end of this lesson, you're going to be like, oh, easy peasy, I got this. Okay? And parents, don't worry, we are going to teach them the old way. We're just going to go through a couple different ways to see which one works best for everybody's different brain. So we're going to get there. Don't teach it to them yet. Thanks. Okay, so you're thinking, whoa, Willie, how are we going to do that? Dun, 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 dun. Well, let me move it here. We're going to use base 10 blocks, and that's a tool that you've probably used in math class before and you've seen in different places. You're thinking, I don't have any of those. Yeah, you do. It was in your package. This little sheets right here, they may be different colors, but you can cut them out and use them to solve these problems. Also, on your iPad, if you don't have that or you'd rather use this, there is an app called, let me see if I can do this with one hand, called Number Pieces right up there in the corner. If you don't have it, you can go into self-service and download it. When you tap on it, it gives you a screen that looks like this, and you can tap and drag. You can tap over here, and that gives you the 10 sticks. Tap up there, that gives you the 1. So you can use those blocks there, and you can change their colors, tap on them and delete them, all sorts of things. So explore that app, and you can use that or your paper ones to do this math. So let's jump right in. Oh dear, I just dumped everything in the floor. Okay, 32 plus 14 is our first problem for today, right here. So what I've done here is I've modeled 32 and 14. So for 32, we have 3 10s and then 2 1s. And then for 14, I have 1 10 and 4 1s. And the way we're going to do this is we're just going to put all the 10s together and all the 1s together. And we added them because addition is about putting 2 numbers together. And this time our numbers are 32 and 14. And we did just that. So you say, well, what do I put down here? How do I get my answer? We just count them all together. We're going to count by 10s on these because they're 10 sticks. And then we're going to switch to counting by 1s down here because these are worth 1. So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So 32 plus 14 is 46. Easy peasy? Yeah, when you use the right tools. And so that's what we're going to use today. We're going to do a couple more problems. Let's see. Our next problem that we're going to model is going to be, let me get my markers over here. It's going to be 25 plus 21. So now let's model that with our blocks. For the green, I'm going to need, for 25, I need 2 10s and 5 1s. There's our 5. And then 21, I need 2 10s and 1 1. So now we have it modeled, 25, 21. So now let's put them all together. We'll put all the 10s together, and we can put all the 1s together. As long as you got them together, it's fine. All right, so now let's count. We're going to count by 10s first, and then when we start counting over here, we'll on the number that we left off of counting on 10s, we'll switch to counting on 1s from that number. So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So this one is same answer, 46 as the first one. Didn't even plan that. How about that? It's kind of cool. So that's how it is. We got one more we're going to try. Let's see. It is 36 plus 22. Let's model that. For 36, I need how many 10s? 10, 20, 30. Then how many 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now for this number, 22. How many 10s? 2 10s. And how many 1s? 2. So you can model this with your own blocks, either on your iPad on the app, or you can cut these out and use them. So let's put them all together. 36 plus 22. I'm going to put my 10s together. I'm going to put my 1s together. And then I just count them all together. So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm not going to say 60 here because that's not a 10. That's just a 1. We've got 50 plus one more is 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So 36 plus 22 is 58. And I want you to use this strategy to solve the problems that you've got in the add response section today. There's not that many of them, but I want you to use this tool to solve it, okay? Can't wait to see your work and how great you're going to do with this big time math.